Alright, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't really given anybody an update on what I'm doing with the car, kind of just been figuring it out, but I have an update. Obviously it's still here, and I'm gonna be fixing it. So I'm gonna be fixing the car. I posted on my Facebook what happened to my car because obviously I like to let people know what's going on. And I'm not gonna hide it. And one of my Facebook friends messaged me and was like, hey, don't mean to like rub salt in the wound, but I have a bottom end out of a Gen 3 with 10,000 miles on it if you wanna buy it off me. And I was like, it's a really good idea. So that's being dropped off tonight. I just picked up an engine stand, so I'm gonna put that together, and then it's just gonna be a slow build to get this thing back on the road, but we're still trying to see what direction I wanna go, if I wanna build it, or if I just wanna slap it in. So, Harbor Freight, I didn't think I could lift this. It's 67 pounds. I'm gonna need these if it's actually instructions. Oh, cool. It's very, very elaborate. Oh, God. Wait, I'm already confused. Oh. Dude, these aren't labeled at all. They aren't labeled at all. Oh my God, it's so hot. These. Sure. I want to see. That goes in here. Get in the hole. Thank you. I'm sweating my ass off. Oh, should have done this before I did this. I am sweating. I can't say what I'm about to say on camera. Like you know what in church. Felon on trial? That works too. Upside down. Solid. Please hold. Get in the hole. On my finger. I'm dying. Goddamn. The struggle is real. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this motor. Blow myself. Down my hand. That's pretty much it. I don't need to film anymore. Okay. So like an idiot, I didn't grab bolts for the engine stand, but we have good news. I'm so excited. We got ourselves a Gen 3 bottom end. So we'll see where we go from here, I guess. I'm dying. I'm gonna go inside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications for new posts, because you are going to see a lot of me fixing this car. So